how to create a voting poll on Google Forms. So hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Forms, create a poll on Google Forms. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you have to sign into your Google Forms, and if you're using Android or iOS, then just go to your Google Play Store or App Store and simply log into your Google Forms, and from there simply I'm going to choose random forms just to show you how you can add a poll. So for example, this one here you can check a lot of question types, so I'm going to show you how you can add a poll to your Google Forms. So for example, I'm going to add a new question. I'm going to type a question like who do you think will be the next president? Now let's add a question mark. Now let's add a poll to it. For example, I'm gonna add Donald Trump. Let me search for it. Let me just search for it. Okay, let's search for Donald Trump pics on Google and then download it. Let's save this image to downloads option right here. Let's save it. Now let's upload it to our Google Forms. So let's upload it from our files. Okay, and save this. Okay, now let's add another options, and let's add an image again. So this is how you can create a poll manually. Just you have to upload images of it, and then you can just create a poll. So for every poll you want to create, you have to tap onto this plus icon at the right corner and then just type in your questions and choose multiple choice, and you can just simply choose it up and add images to it. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.